All right, so you know what? I was about to try to polish this out. Just want to show you this. This is nice. Some nerd in a parking lot hit my car, and somebody told me, and I managed to chase down this guy. Pretty good, right? The guy tried to run. Oh, yeah, I caught him. You best believe. Anyway, this is the damage. This car is clear broad on the front. So I don't know if I could get it out or not. Just trying to do it now. This is the worst of it. Unfortunately, there's a crack in the grill. So I'm going to just replace the grill. Guess how much they gave me for this? $2,100. Yeah, I think I won't be painting this and I'll just fix it myself and I'll just change the grill. What would you do? Not bad for a first pass. This is actually the worst of it. You can see all the stonage in there, but remember something. This is clear bra. I could take this off if I wanted to, but you know what? I'm not going to. I'm going to just fill that in as best as I can. And this part too. I'm not going to go crazy. I'd rather kind of leave it the way it is, not peel up this 3M, and just keep it with a new grill. Throw in the new grill, and I'm thinking about actually throwing in a LED OEM looking factory rings. You know, I don't want it to be ugly or anything like that. I just want it to look that stock, you know, like it just closed. Might as well, if I'm going to take it off, do a little something different.